Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious pork ribs with nopales in this amazing red sauce that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious pork ribs and nopales in red sauce, these are my ingredients: salt, cumin, black pepper, tomatoes, 1/4 of an onion, garlic cloves, chile de árbol, tomatillos, nopales, pork ribs, 2 bay leaves, and water. This is everything you need to enjoy an amazing pork ribs with nopales made at home with lots of love. So let's get started. First things first, getting ready our nopales, our cactus. I'm going to rinse them very good, and then I'm ready to chop them in little mini squares. You decide if you want squares or if you want little thin strips. I like cutting in squares. Once you cut all your nopales, I have like 5 cactus. I am going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. Look at this. I am ready to add 1/4 of an onion, 1 little bunch of cilantro, and 1 tablespoon of salt. And then I'm ready to add water, just enough to cover them. We're going to take them to the stove, have them boil for at least 2 minutes. And then when it's boiling like this, we're going to cover, turn the stove off, and let it sit for about 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, we are going to drain them. There's no need to add any more water. Just drain it, leave it there for a couple minutes so that all the liquid comes out. And believe me, your nopales are not going to be slimy at all. Remove the onion, remove the cilantro, and then just let it sit for a couple minutes and then put them on the plate and you're ready to enjoy. Look at the texture. They're not slimy at all and they're going to taste amazing. Well, here I'm going to leave them there. I'm going to continue by making this amazing red sauce for our pork ribs. And let me tell you, once you take the skin off, you're going to rinse them very good through running water. And then 1/4 of an onion, 2 garlic cloves. We're going to add some water. And then we're going to take it to boil. It's going to cook for about 5 minutes. Remember to add chile de árbol. I'm only adding 5 of them, not more than that. You really want to enjoy this amazing recipe. Now I am ready to put them in the blender. They're nice and soft. We're going to blend away. And to this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Remember that the salt is to taste, beautiful family, and a splash of the same liquid. Not too much liquid because you want your salsa to be nice and thick. Blend away for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to show you the texture. You don't want it too runny. You want it nice and thick. Look at this. That's exactly how you want your salsa. Now you have your salsa and your nopales ready. And here I have the pork ribs, and I am ready to start cutting them in between the bone. And this is going to take time, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. And now, when you have all your pork rib cut in small little pieces, you're going to put them on your pot. You have 2 garlic cloves. You're going to add 2 bay leaves, enough water to cover it. And we're going to take it to the stove. We're going to cook it for about 45 minutes, covered in medium-low heat. Once you see that the water has reduced more than half, and the meat is nice and tender, then you are going to cook it, uncover, add 1 tablespoon of lard, and just let it sit there for a couple minutes, and then it's going to get nice and crispy. This is going to take time, beautiful family, but be very careful because you don't want to burn your pork ribs. And here I'm just going to try to take all the bottom drippings off and continue. You know, it sticks really bad in the bottom, so just make sure that with the wooden spoon you mix it well. Get it nice and crispy. When it's nice and crispy to your desired crispiness, you're ready to add your nopales. I'm going to add my nopales, incorporate them, add my amazing red sauce, mix away, and then cook it for at least 3 more minutes. And then you're ready to enjoy. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Do not remove the bay leaves. Leave them in there. Taste it to see if you need to add more salt. This is perfect. And now turn it off, cover it, and let it sit for about 5 minutes. So you are ready to enjoy an amazing and traditional pork rib in red salsa and nopales. Steam rice on the side, and let me tell you, my home smells amazing, and I am ready to enjoy this amazing and very traditional Mexican plate. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I'm completely done with this amazing pork ribs with white rice, nopales, and the amazing red sauce. Well, this is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious. The meat is so tender and juicy. Just amazing. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing pork ribs, red sauce, nopales, and white rice. Just a perfect dish. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.